Well, the grand alliance between the Congress, the RJD and the JDU is to be formally announced today after Nitish Kumar returns to Patna from Mumbai. The alliance was formalized at the Iftar party hosted by Sonia Gandhi. The party was attended by RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav and JDU leader Sharad Yadav.
Now, this alliance has been formed to counter the BJP's growing influence in Bihar, where polls in 10 assembly seats, by-polls in fact, are set to be held on the 21st of August. The RJD and the JDU will be contesting 4 seats each, while the Congress will contest from 2 seats. Traditional foes Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav will be joining hands to campaign together. The BJP, meanwhile, has said that it's the fear of the BJP that has brought the old foes together.
देखिए, ये डरे हुए लोग हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जो आंधी चल रही है बिहार में, उससे डर कर साथ आए। ये मजबूरी में आए हैं, ये मजबूर लोग हैं।
Let's go straight across to headlines today. Is Rohit Singh joining us live from Patna. Rohit, the grand alliance which so few had thought was ever going to be possible is now just moments away from being completely formal. The two old foes will be campaigning together as well.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. The unthinkable is all set to happen today. Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad will be joining hands formally. What we are learning is that at around 3 in this afternoon at the JDU office, the state presidents of all these 3 parties, the JDU, the RJD and the Congress, will be sitting together and they will be making a formal announcement of these parties coming together. And obviously, after 24 years, Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad will be coming together and they will be also jointly campaigning for this alliance in these upcoming by-elections. So obviously, what is driving this alliance is basically the mathematics, because what we know is that NDA in these general elections got 39% of the vote share, and Nitish Kumar and Lalu, they got altogether 45% of the vote share, and that is why they are thinking, because of the mathematics, that they can defeat the NDA in these by-elections, and that is why they have come together and a grand alliance has been in fact been formed.
Well, politics doesn't get purer than Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad really coming together because of the beautiful arithmetic of it all. Thanks very much, Rohit, for getting us that report. We'll, of course, be coming to you live right through the day as we keep a track of the formal joining of hands of these two old rivals in Bihar.